Ideal for small and sticky foods. Removable mesh screens are great for drying small items like herbs and spices and prevent sticking. BPA-free. Made of high-quality food-grade plastic, reusable, easy to clean. Easy to use. Finger notches on each side of the screen make it easy for you to flex the screen toward the center until the food becomes loose. 13.5 diameter trays. 2 ADA trays provide an additional 1.6 square feet of drying area. Compatibility. Fits Nesco 20, 30, 60, and 70 series, FD28JX, FD35, FD37, FD39, FD60, FD61, FD61WHC, FD75A, FD75PR. Food dehydrators. Prevents foods from sticking. Flexible so can be curled to peel off foods. Ideal for small foods like herbs and spices. Fits Nesco Dehydrators FD28JX, FD35, FD40, FD50, FD60, FD61, FD75PR. Safe to use in dishwasher. Top reviews from the United States. Fantastic, durable, flexible, amazing. I love my Nesco Clean Screen trays. I use them in my Nesco Snackmaster Pro and they work like a charm. The mesh is the perfect texture and spacing. This allows plenty of air to move through the items while they are dehydrating. Because it is made of a silicone material, nothing sticks to it and everything cleans up so easily. I don't use these tray inserts for everything I put in the machine. I only use them for the sticky or fragile items like fruit pieces or herbs. Right now, I have some mint sprigs dehydrating and I am using these Nesco screen trays. Everything has been going for about 14 hours and the herbs are very easy to move around and change positions for new airflow. I will come back and attach photos to show the trays in use. This is making my life so much easier when it comes to dehydrating. I have been very satisfied with their performance so far. When I used these for teriyaki beef jerky, they absolutely saved my life. I had never made this jerky before and it ended up being very sticky. If I had just laid those pieces on my standard tray, I would have ended up with shredded beef pieces and that's not a good look. But, with these flexible screen trays, I was able to pry them off slowly and everything was nice and pretty. With a fun waffle pattern from the screen. Lol, these screens have lasted a few years now with pretty regular use.